What's up, y'all? It is Rachel Thompson, aka Rach the Real Estate Bae, and my amazing co-listing agent,
Triston Burnham.
And we're super excited to be here to present to you 3234 Gilbert Avenue. This is a brand new construction built by Cozy Home Construction in partnership with the Port of Cincinnati. We're super excited. It has tons of features that we're really pumped to tell you all about.
That's right, Rachel. This listing we're very excited to bring to you guys. Leaves absolutely nothing to be desired. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in February of this year. Let's go check it out.
Everybody in the area ain't nothing but the